So what we're looking at is a typical backyard flood, and you can see all the water back here. It's pretty bad, and we've got the lowest point of the neighborhood all around. All the water is coming to this low point of this woman's yard, and you can kind of see she's tried to do a couple of things. She's lived with this problem for 30 years. You can see she's got a little tiny pump, and the garden hose sends it out to the front real slow, but it does move some water. Let's take a look underneath the crawl space, and you can really see the big problem. Can you see all that? That's just totally flooded. So she wants to know, if we put a French drain in the backyard, will it solve this problem? I think it will. I think that give water a place to go, and it will go there. And you can see this water is actually the same level. See all this water out here? It's the same level as what I showed you under the crawl space. That's how I know if we put French drain and catch basins here, that we can collect the water, send it over here by the garage, put a sump basin, sump pump, send it out to the street. It will solve all of this water problem. So if you have this type of a problem where water has been sitting under your crawl space for a long period of time, remember, she's had this problem for 30 years. What do you think's happening to the wood, on your floor, under your floor? What do you think's happening to that wood? You can probably imagine that there's a lot of mildew, if not already mold, growing in that wood. And it's a simple problem to solve, especially if you live in a sand-based area. This is Jacksonville, Florida, and it's all sand. It's really easy to move that water, something you can easily do yourself. Take a look at this photo, and I'll show you how we would go about solving this problem. I'll put the diagram up there, and you can see it. It is something you could do, take a couple hours. So from this low spot where we see all the water, we need a catch basin and a small section of French drain, maybe 10, 15 feet. Then we need solid pipe that leads over towards the garage, 4-inch solid. That'll lead to a sump basin, and the sump pump goes in the basin, 1.5-inch pipe all the way out to the street. Just lift that water up with the pump and send it right out to the street, and you will solve this problem. So I hope this video kind of helps some people, and it really is something you can do yourself, truly save, $5,000, $6,000, take you a couple hours, and I would love to hear your comments about it. If you've got this problem, let me know. So don't forget about live help, video consultation via Zoom. We can answer any question that you have, help you with project planning, just like this. If you can show me the problem, I can show you the answer.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.